Hey everyone, Erica from Rare Dirndl, and I'm currently in my basement folding some laundry, and I figured this would be a good time to talk about how to clean your dirndl after an event or after Oktoberfest, etc. So the first thing you need to do is figure out what your dirndl is made of. If it is made of cotton or polyester, you could potentially put it in the wash machine, but you need to check what kind of tag is on it. There might be some handwork which would make it not washable, because you don't want the handwork to get ruined with the agitation of the wash machine. So for the most part, your dirndls are going to be dry clean or spot clean. Spot clean meaning that it's a washable fabric, meaning the fabric can get wet, so it's not like a silk or a wool, and then you can use like a light detergent and then wash it by hand just in that particular spot to get, say, the beer or Jägermeister or whatever should befall your dirndl, mustard, goulash, etc. The aprons and blouses, however, are typically made of washable fabrics for that exact purpose, is that they get dirty faster. So your blouse, you might spill on it, or you might wear it more often so it gets a little more smelly. So in that case, you can usually pop those in the wash with maybe a little bleach if it's white. Pit stains are a toughie. They are a toughie. My best suggestion is to use a antiperspirant without aluminum, and then in that case, a deodorant without aluminum, and then you won't get the pit stains to begin with. But otherwise, I mean, scrub, get some bleach. I mean, there's a whole bunch of different theories on how to get them out. But at some point, it's just like you gotta cut your losses and get a new one, because they're really tough to get out. Aprons, again, check to make sure you know what the tag says on it. If it's dry clean only, then you're going to obviously want to take that to the dry cleaners. If it's washable, put it in the wash. I tend to line dry everything just to be safe. The Rare Dirndl off-the-shoulder blouses are machine wash and dry, because ironing those would be a beast. So I made sure that I found a fabric that works good wash and dry. Anything else, I mean, if you spill on your dirndl, like you know someone spilled the Jaeger on you, you want to wash that out. Club soda, get it out as fast as you can. However, if someone spills it like behind you and you didn't realize it, well, then spot clean it is afterwards. Those are kind of my tips for cleaning your dirndl. If you've got any questions, put them in the comments, shoot me an email, we can chat about it. But that's the basic gist of it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Alright, peace.